Hey guys, thanks for joining me today for another video. Today's adventure is going to be changing a head on this older Ryobi SS30 String Trimmer or Weedwacker. This is my personal unit. I've had it for about 15 years. It works well. The head's not feeding string out anymore when you bump it down on the ground. It's broken, it's old, it's beat up. So we're just going to replace it with a new one. I picked up this Echo Speedfeed 400. This is supposed to be universal. This particular string trimmer is not listed as being compatible with this head, but we're going to try and see what we can do. Stay with me and we'll get this adventure started. All right, so this is the old head. You can see it's beat up, it's been bounced down on the ground. It works all right. I was never really thrilled with it, but it worked, so I didn't do anything with it. It's not feeding string anymore. I don't know if there's something with the mechanism from being all beat up that's not working. So we're going to take this head off and we'll try to put the new one on. All right, this is our old head. This is the one that's not working so well anymore. You can see it's been beat up. We're going to take this off and see if we can get this new Echo unit to work. Got to take this bolt out here. Just got a pair of channel locks right now. This is a reverse thread bolt, so righty tighty, lefty loosey. In this case, righty loosey, lefty tighty. So let's see here. I'm gonna get it backwards, yep. Yeah, so take that bolt out. This piece should pop off. Then we got this another older adapter on here. This is also righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're gonna see which one of these adapters fits our unit here. This is the head, Speedfeed 400. This is our spool of line. That's the line it comes with. In here is a gold adapter. This is the adapter that comes pre-installed in that cup. Gold adapters are going to work for us. It's too big for that threaded post. Green one is also too big. The silver one's also too big. The red one here, this looks like the right one. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we want to go righty loosey, lefty tighty. Doesn't make sense, but it's backwards. All right, so that thread's on there nice. So this is the adapter we're going to use, the red one. So we got to press this gold one out of here. Now, I don't have anything to press it out with, so I'm just going to bang it out. We got to put this red one in. Get it in there. Get it in all the way. It's close to being all the way. Okay, here we go. So we got our red adapter in there. I'll put this back in the head here. I'll screw that on. A couple of teeth that have to line up in there. All right, I got a 5/8 wrench on here. That's backwards. These reverse threads really throw me for a loop. I always get them wrong. Okay, we got that tightened up. Now my wrench is jammed in here, so that's good. All right, we got the wrench out. So now I'm going to take this line off of this spool. Spool's got two sides, an L and an R. We're using a red adapter, so my understanding is the L should be facing out. We put our Speedfeed head in. Now before we put this in, one modification that a lot of people do is right in the center here, they drill this out with like a 3/8 or 5/16 drill. And they put a 3/8 or 5/16 inch hex bolt here with a nylock washer on the back. It fits inside the spring here. And what that does is it puts a bolt head down here. So when you're slamming this thing on the ground, trying to feed more line, if you slam it on cement or brick, asphalt, it'll slam down on that hex head, not on the plastic, and it won't eat up and chew up this plastic and eventually ruin it and grind it down so much that you need to replace the head again. I'm not going to do that right now. I may do that in the future, just something to keep in mind. All right, we'll put this in here. Okay, now we can take our line and feed it right through the middle. There we go. Take our line and feed it right through the middle. Make it even. So it's even. And now we can just theory this would be down like this. And now we can just turn it and feed our line into the head. That's it. Now we got the line in there, we're good to go. There we go. Well guys, thanks for joining me on this quick video. We replaced the string head or spool head on our string trimmer. We put the Echo Speedfeed 400 on an older SS30 made by Ryobi. This unit is not specifically listed to be compatible with this head, but as you can see, it fits perfectly, works great. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost anything, helps out the channel immensely. Thanks again for joining me for today's adventure, and we'll see you guys on the next one.